Hey fellow stock guardians, happy Tuesday, June 15th, 2021. I'm Hoda, a stock card CEO, reporting to you from a red stock market. I looked at the new economic indicators that confirmed investors' concerns about higher inflation rate, researched why Lorsdstown Motor's stock jumped after yesterday's nosedive, and took a look at JustEatTakeaway.com's acquisition of Grubhub. Although the S&P 500 nearly topped its all-time high at one point today, the three leading indices finished the day in the red. Reports are giving investors mixed signals. Inflation is still showing its face, while officials continue to claim that it is transitionary. The Producer Price Index report came out today and indicates the most significant increase we have ever seen since it began to be tracked in 2010. This is being mirrored by the rise in prices across the economy. At the same time, things are looking up with the reopening of the economy on track. Many are waiting to hear the Fed's monetary policy statements for June. Fed's reaction to the economic indicators could be one of the main events that move the market in the next few days and weeks. Today, as I logged into my stock card account, I noticed a portfolio update by Think Tank Trading Portfolio among the portfolios that I follow. Not sure if you folks have seen that feature yet. We added it recently, and it gives you a quick update whenever any of the portfolios you're following take any action. For example, today, Think Tank Trading Portfolio sold half of its Airbnb shares, and you can see his notes as to why he did that on my daily update feed on my stock card dashboard. You have the same dashboard if you log in into your account. Make sure to visit the stock pick page and follow your favorite portfolios, and then you'll receive updates in your dashboard's feed section. Yesterday's market recap covered the alarming 19% plunge in price for the automotive company Lorsdstown Motors, RIDE. This came off the back of dual CFO and CEO resignations. Today, the stock reverts this direction, up by 11% or so during the trading day, and ultimately up by 7% in the after-hours session. The business saved face today as Angela Strand, the new chairwoman of the company, reassured shareholders that the company is expecting to meet its electric truck production deadline. Previously, the startup EV maker had warned that it was not sure if it could stay afloat and fulfill the orders by September. Although the announcement calmed investors, Lorsdstown confirmed it would have a limited pickup production, leaving more uncertainties for the future of the company. No wonder why the 11% or so stock price jump during the normal trading hours gradually faded down to 7% or so in the after-hours session. This is still a company in crisis. If you recall, beginning of the food delivery gig economy, Grubhub, GRUB, was among the leaders. Fast forward to today, the company caught my eyes at the top of today's biggest losers on the winners and losers page on the stock card. Shares were down more than 68%. However, this price drop doesn't mean Grubhub is out of the game quite yet. Across the pond in Europe, Grubhub's counterpart, Takeaway.com, ticker TKAYF, has decided to create a global food delivery giant by acquiring Grubhub. The expansion to a global giant started from Netherlands, continued into a merger with Britain's Just Eat service, and is now completed by the acquisition of Grubhub today. With the combined forces of the existing customer bases across multiple countries and continents, and great growth due to the pandemic, the new company is poised to become a serious contender for the top spot in the US food delivery market. Generally speaking, the food industry is a low-margin business. There's not much profit left to be made in the delivery side of the market. Therefore, operations scale and sharing technology infrastructure are the main ways food delivery companies can grow their profits. It seems that's what the new merger is all about. One last question before we wrap up today is, what happens to the investors who were holding Grubhub's shares? Shareholders were issued ADSs, which is foreign stock tradable on US stock exchange, for JustEatTakeaway.com based on whatever amount of shares they were holding in Grubhub. JustEatTakeaway.com stock will begin trading on their ticker GRUB, which has been suspended or delisted as of today, but will start trading tomorrow. Don't be alarmed by the price drop. You still own shares of the combined company that is now one of the largest food delivery companies worldwide. They have a great shot at profitability and growth. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give StockCard a try, research as many stocks and ETFs that you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the stock pick page on a StockCard platform. And don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word, and help us grow the StockCard community by sharing, liking, and subscribing these daily market recap reports with your fellow investors. Thank you very much for doing so, and I'll see you tomorrow.